Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We finished third in our weekly tournament and we got Batman. Let's go! Okay, so we have one of the Trinity, the Batman. Okay, so as you can see, he is doing a kick pose, very similar to Chun-Li. Okay, I would have loved it if they implemented this to Batman, okay, indicating multiple kicks. So let's see what the Batman does. I usually play X-Men teams, but once in a while, I also like to use DC. And I know I have a Batman mermaid, but I don't have a replacement character when that mermaid dies. So this will be a good candidate, I guess, for that one. Okay. So the sculpt of this Batman is part of, I think, the Batman team up sculpt. Okay, so this has been used multiple times. Now it's used as a limited edition in the Gotham City OP kit, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so great pose, uh, standing kick for Batman. Okay, and the cape, of course, flows great. Okay, so that's Batman. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let's take a look at his card. He is DC24-004. Batman team ability grants him stealth. Has the keywords Batman family, Gotham City, detective, martial artist. All the keywords one expect. And he has a trait, the world's greatest detective, which is, I guess, mostly true. When Batman begins the game, for all characters with this trait, you may place a clue token on a mystery card on your sideline. So, if Batman is 65 points, place 3 instead. Batman modifies his combat values plus 1 for each friendly mystery card that can use a case close effect. Okay, so mystery card. I don't really use a lot of mystery card because my sideline is usually filled with what you call this replacement characters. Okay, so but it's interesting that I guess this Batman will be useful at at full points, 65 points, uh, for him to get that 3 mystery card, because that does a lot for mystery cards. Okay, and if you're able to do a close case immediately, then that means it's possible to have plus 3 all stats for Batman. That would make him 7 range, 10 movement, 14 attack, 21 defense, and 5 damage. So making him virtually impossible or hard to take down at that point. Okay. So can you... you only have to choose one mystery card to put the 3. I was thinking distributing that 3 clue tokens. Special defense power is stalking through Gotham. Combat reflexes willpower. When Batman uses willpower, you may move him up to the result. Oh, that's good, because he doesn't have a charge or a move and attack power, but that special defense power grants him possible 6 movement and then 4 range attack, 10 reach. That makes him 10 reach, or 6 movement, outwit, and then attack. Okay, so very interesting defense power. Real name is Bruce Wayne, of course, and appearance is Batman Huntress. Cry for Blood #1, year 2000. Okay, so I'll probably, as I said, use him for my Batman Mermaid. Okay, as a replacement character. So need to do a playtest of Batman. But for now, let's do some more kicks. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bye bye. Yeah, 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 yeah.